Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Bright English, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and practical.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today, our topic is one of the most useful life skills, learning English at the restaurant.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to greet and talk to the waiter politely, read a menu and ask questions, order food and drinks confidently, give compliments or feedback, handle small problems, pay the bill and say goodbye politely.
And don't worry, we'll go step by step, use real dialogues, and give you practice time so you can repeat along with us.
Step 1 is entering the restaurant and greeting the staff. First impressions matter. But Emily, I always get nervous when the waiter looks at me.
No problem. Let's practice polite phrases.
Good evening. Table for 2, please.
Right this way, sir.
Perfect. Short, polite, confident. Tip: always smile and use please and thank you.
Sometimes they ask, smoking or non-smoking? What should I say?
You can reply, non-smoking, please. A table by the window, please.
Got it. Short and polite.
Now let's look at the menu. Some dishes may be unfamiliar. Don't worry, we can ask questions. Useful phrases. Excuse me, what do you recommend? Could you tell me more about this dish? Is this dish spicy? Can I have it without onions?
Excuse me, what do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken and chef's special pasta are very popular.
Great! Paul now knows what to order confidently. Tip: ask questions politely using excuse me or could you please?
And if I want something different?
Say, can I have it less spicy? Or I would like it without cheese, please. Ordering is simple if you follow one rule: be polite and clear.
I always worry about saying it wrong.
Use I would like instead of I want.
I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, I'll have fresh orange juice, please. Extra practice phrases. Could I have the menu, please? I'd like to try the chef's special. Can I have it less spicy?
Speak slowly and clearly. It's better to be understood than to rush. While eating, you might want to give feedback or ask more questions.
What should I say if I like the food?
Simple phrases. This is delicious. I really enjoyed the meal. Thank you.
Is everything okay with your meal?
Yes, everything is wonderful. Thank you. Tip: compliments make the experience better.
If there is a problem, say politely, excuse me, I think there is a mistake with my order. Could you please check? Never be angry or rude. It's unprofessional and unnecessary.
After finishing, how do we ask for the bill?
Simple phrases. Could we have the bill, please? Check, please.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
After paying, always thank the waiter. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Tip: always leave politely. It's part of professional English etiquette. Here are some extra tips for restaurant English. Repeat phrases aloud at home before going out. Use polite words. Please, thank you, excuse me. Smile and make eye contact. Confidence matters. Don't worry about small grammar mistakes. Native speakers care more about being polite and clear. Common mistakes. Saying I want pizza, better I would like pizza, please. Speaking too fast, slow down and pronounce clearly. Forgetting polite words, always use please, thank you. Excuse me.
I like that. Confidence matters more than perfect grammar.
Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Greeting and seating. Reading the menu and asking questions. Ordering food and drinks. Compliments and handling problems. Paying the bill politely.
And the most important tip, Practice speaking English every day.
That's right. You can practice with a friend at home or even imagine a restaurant scenario.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun English lessons.